As much as Samsung tries to hide, most of the details and specifications of the new members of the Galaxy S21 family are expected to leak long before its launch in January. This has already become something of a tradition when it comes to South Korean flagships. Recently, sources confirmed that the Galaxy S21 Ultra model is expected to hit the market with a 108 megapixel camera and 45 watt fast charging. Now, the well-known and trusted leaker Ice Universe used his Twitter account to confirm another important detail. According to the leak, it is already possible to confirm with 100% certainty that the 2021 device will have support for the S Pen. Apparently, Samsung really wants to meet user demands and share the Galaxy Note line stylus with the Galaxy S family. Of course, it is still too early to know if all models will be honored with the novelty. Even so, taking into account that the most premium is usually the most complete, everything indicates that support for the S Pen will be guaranteed for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Samsung is expected to deliver the Galaxy S21 Ultra with a 2K resolution screen and a 120Hz refresh rate. So, adding support for the S Pen can make the device even more premium. So far, Samsung has not officially commented on the matter. Either way, releasing the S Pen on the Galaxy S21 lineup does not mean that the South Korean will kill the Galaxy Note family. In addition, it is more than clear that the company must sell the accessory separately, something that does not happen with the Note family. Now let's talk about the Samsung smartphone with surround display and sliding camera. Samsung is again registering another patent for an extremely futuristic smartphone that, at least today, seems extremely difficult to produce on a large and even small scale. A smartphone with a surround screen that surrounds the whole body and can slide up to show the hidden camera module. The record was discovered by the Dutch website Let's Go Digital, and as you can see in the patent, that the smartphone can in theory adopt a completely immersive screen, going not only from the sides to the top, but also reaching the corners and the rear. Let's Go Digital itself also took advantage of the patent to design a concept based on what was registered by Samsung. And as you can see, the idea is very promising. We see that the smartphone would have two screens with a split in the middle. Along the height of the smartphone, the two screens would surround each half of the device and still allow users to slide the panel upwards to reveal the set of cameras. That way, it would be possible to use the main camera module for landscape and portrait photos and videos, and also use the same powerful set for selfies, only needing to rotate the smartphone so that the rear screen turns into the front screen. There is no indication of what Android optimization would look like on a smartphone like this, and even more importantly, how a protective cover would fit on a device that, in addition to being an entirely made up of screen, and also has a sliding mechanism in the middle. Of course, the extremely futuristic idea is just a patent, and like many, they may never see the light of day. But some ideas may be implemented by Samsung in the coming years to try to leverage the smartphone market, something that LG is doing with the Explorer project and the first launch, the LG Wing. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And if you want to support me on Patreon, the link is given in the description. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.